It has never been easier to create your own academy online, but with Coursova, it is easy and fast. Coursova enables you to convert your knowledge into passive income stream and allows you to create, sell, and deliver courses on your own branded academy website. It gives you 100% control on your traffic, leads, and profits which you could lose by selling your courses on other third-party marketplaces. Coursova is an amazing platform, and let anyone sell courses online in 3 easy steps. 1. Create a course. Add your video lessons, ebooks, and reports to create a course, or just choose from 10 red-hot and done-for-you courses to quick start. 2. Add payment method. Add buy buttons of your favorite payment gateway to accept payments directly in your accounts. 3. Publishing offers. Publish your courses on your own academy marketplace and keep 100% leads and profits. No sharing at all. No installation. No designing or other techie stuff. In few minutes, you can publish your professional online academy loaded with your courses, and everything works under a single dashboard with zero frustration of learning. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With Coursova, you can do much more. First, you can build pro-level and beautiful academy sites which have a professional marketplace with courses listing, blog, members area, lead management system, and a inbuilt ticketing system in just few minutes. These are proven converting sites to build you an instant authority. You can sell your courses on your own branded marketplace and have full control on your business. And those sites are 100% mobile, social media, and SEO ready. You can create courses quick and easy. Add unlimited video lessons, ebooks, and reports to create a course. Coursova make it very easy to create courses on any topic in any niche, right from the comfort of your home. Accept payments on marketplace with your favorite payment gateway. Easy integration with PayPal, JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, etc. Even you can simply add a report and create a free course to build a targeted list in any niche. Plus, we are giving 10 DIY video courses on 10 hot topics, so even newbies can kickstart their e-learning business without any hassles. And that's just a handful of features. An entire host of other features that come included with Coursova when you sign up today. So, whatever your goal, we have a proven solution for you. So, just get your hands on Coursova to sell and market your courses online. And it streamlines everything for you 24/7, even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. It has got everything covered, and that makes Coursova a cut above the rest. It's fast and easy. It's all in one platform. It's reliable. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-the-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support.